SMTasker, powering social growth from real devices. One dashboard, unlimited momentum. Before SMTasker can control your phones, it needs one small piece installed on your Mac, the local client. Think of it as a bridge. Your online dashboard sends the commands, and the local client passes them to your phones. Without it, nothing runs. So let's get it installed and paired. Let's start with the download. Log into your SMTasker web dashboard and look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. There's a download button. It automatically gives you the right file for your computer. On a Mac, that's a disk image. Double-click the disk image you just downloaded. A window opens showing the SMTasker app next to your Applications folder. Drag the app onto the folder to install it. That's the whole installation. Nothing else happens after the copy, and on a Mac, that's completely normal. Now let's open it for the first time. Go to your Applications folder, or just press Command and Space and type SMTasker, and launch the app. The first time you open it, your Mac will ask you to confirm an app downloaded from the internet. Click Open. This is standard for any app from the internet. It just means the app passed Apple's security check, and you'll only see it once. SMTasker opens and shows a screen that says, "Connect this Mac" with a pairing badge. That means the app is running, but it isn't linked to your account yet. Let's pair it. Go back to your SMTasker web app, and in the bottom bar, right next to the download button, click Connect Client. Your browser will ask whether to allow the website to open SMTasker. Click Allow. That's the pairing done. Now the app sets itself up. It installs the background tools it needs to run automations, the Android tools and a few helpers, all automatically. You don't install anything by hand. It's all bundled in. This takes about a minute. When it finishes, the badge turns to active and the server shows session active. That's your signal that everything is connected and ready. From now on, any Android phone you plug in will show up in the device inventory list. A couple of things to keep it running smoothly. Unlike Windows, there's no little tray icon on a Mac. SMTasker runs as a normal app in your dock. So leave it open. You can minimize it, but if you quit it or shut the Mac down, your automations pause until it's open again. To save yourself from remembering to launch it, open the app's settings, go to Preferences, and turn on Run App at System Startup. That adds SMTasker to your Mac's login items so it opens automatically every time you log in. And your automations just keep running in the background, and that's it. Your local client is installed, paired, and set to launch on its own. Your Mac is now the bridge between your dashboard and your phones. So the next step is getting an Android phone ready to connect.
Powering social growth from real devices. Start free today at smtasker.com.